kí gbogbo wa nílé lóko lẹ́yìn òdì. Mo kí wa pé a kó bójú ọjọ́ ṣe rí. Ọ̀dẹ̀ ò dàbí. Èmi ọmọ yín náà ni olólùfẹ́ yín. Ayé ọpẹ́ yọ sí ọlọ́rọ̀ sí yín náà. Ní agbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Ní agbára lọ́wọ́ àṣẹ̀dá. Ayé ọpẹ́ a máa yọ fún èmi àti yín. Quick one. Èwo ni mo mú wá fún wa lọ́jọ́ títí òní. Wípé ká jọ ṣe àgbéyẹ̀wò ẹ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí àṣejọ máa ń ṣe kéni. Bá àṣejọ máa ń ṣe. Tó máa ń gún régé. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀yin tí máa ń bá wa láìkì ètò wa. Àtẹ̀yìntẹ̀ ṣe darapọ̀ mọ́ wa lórí ìkànnì aláyọ̀ yìí. Níbi tá ti máa ń gbé oríṣiríṣi ètò yẹ̀wò nípa ìlọsíwájú àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá, nípa báwo la ṣe ní dúró lójú kan náà, nípa báwo la ṣe máa kúrò ní oko ẹrú. Lágbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Ojú òní ti wà. Ó ń ṣọmọ olókù bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Wọn ò ní sí pẹ̀lú òkú ẹ̀. Ṣé rí pé ó rí ìdúró? Òun ló bá wá lọ́jọ́ títí òní. Torí bí mo ṣe ń wọlé mo ní kí n tó bọ́ jákẹ́ẹ̀tì kóòtù sílẹ̀ jẹ́ ń tètè. Because ó bá ti jókòó sí tàbí ó bá ti fi nǹkan kan sẹ́nu, ó lè gbá abẹ sùn. Now, gbogbo ìgbà pátápátá òun làṣírí òun ló ń tú. Bọ́ kí ni a lè ṣe sí? Kí la fẹ́ ṣe sí? A máa rí nǹkan ṣe tì. Ṣé rí ariwo tá à ń pa yìí? Kò waste o. Kò ṣe kí ni? Kò waste. Ta ló mọ̀ nínú èmi àti yín wípé ní 5 years ago, tó bá jẹ́ 5 years ago náà gbé ọ̀rọ̀ ṣẹ̀ríà wá, ṣé mọ̀ pé wọ́n máa mú jẹ, wọ́n máa mú wọlé. Èèyàn mélòó ló wà lórí ayélujára nígbà náà lọ́hùn? 8 years ago, èèyàn mélòó ló wà lórí ayélujára? Àti ìpọ̀ báyìí. Understand? Nígbà ayélujára bíi 9 years ago, a máa ń ṣe ìgbà tí life ò tí ì dé bíi 9-10 years tí life ò tá àti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí máa ṣe live program. O máa kọ́ record, wàá ṣe wá jù ni. But still yet náà à ń ṣe recording. Kí ni mo fẹ́ fàyọ nínú gbogbo nǹkan, gbogbo aláwìyé tí mò ń ṣe ni wípé a lè fi gba yẹn wé sìn. A tún dúpẹ́ lọ́dọ̀ Ọlọ́run ni. Torí bí information yẹn bó ṣe ń lọ káàkiri, bó ṣe ń jáde sí, kó tó ṣẹ́jú, tó bá sọ nínú ilé ẹ̀, tó ṣe ìdímọ̀ dáadáa, báwo ni ṣe wọ́n ń pè? Gbogbo ayé ti gbọ́. Nínú kó tó ṣílẹ̀kùn gan, gbogbo ayé ti gbọ́. Now, èwo ni mo mú wá? Kẹ́jọ́ mi má bàa pọ̀ ju àlàyé lọ. Bọ́lá yìí mú kó dẹ̀ máa pọ̀ ju ẹjọ́ lọ ni. Àwọn Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn, àwọn náà bọ́ta. Wọ́n sọ àṣírí. Gbogbo àṣírí tí àwọn Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn tó ń sọ yìí, ìyá mi, bàbá mi, ẹ̀gbọ́n mi àtàbúrò mi, ẹ máa mọ̀ wípé àwa, Ìjẹ̀bú sọ̀rọ̀, ó pòwe ó tún kọrin. Ìjẹ̀bú, ẹ mọ̀ pé Ìjẹ̀bú òun yé sọ̀rọ̀, kọ́ má fi sọ̀fọ̀ 8 sí, àfi sọ̀fọ̀ 8 ni. Ìjẹ̀bú sọ̀fọ̀ léèlékè o, àwa àrè lékè o. Àwa, èmi àti yín, dájúdọ̀ wà lẹ́nu ẹ̀ tá à ń pariwo. Àwa la wà lókè, àwa la lead. Bọ́ ó ṣe ni láàánú. Wípé pẹ̀lú gbogbo ariwo wa náà, a máa pariwo. Èmi àti yín máa pariwo. Ṣé mọ̀ pé a jọ ń pariwo yìí ni? Ṣé mọ̀ pé ẹ̀yin, ìyá mi, tẹ̀ ń wò mí lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́, àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ yín kan wà tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n ti torí pé ẹ̀ ń ṣe ọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá Nation sórí fóònù wọn, wọ́n ti block yín. Ṣé irọ́ ni àbó òótọ́? Ẹ bá mi fílẹ̀ nínú comment section. Àwọn ọmọ yín kan ti wọ́n ọ̀nà yín wípé tó bá ti jẹ́ lórí Yorùbá Nation yín yìí ni, ẹ má ṣe ẹ̀ sórí fóònù mi mọ́. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ ni tàbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́? Ẹ bá mi fílẹ̀ nínú comment section. Tá a ti máa lọ, ẹ bá wa pín, kán lè gbọ́, kí gbogbo ayé lè gbọ́, kán lè mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀, kán lè mọ kíní kan. Kò ń ṣe ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú family wa o. Nínú wípé kí ìran wa kó lè dà lèmi àti ìdájọ́ ń ṣe. Now, àwọn Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn yẹn náà, àwọn náà wá bọ́ta wá sọ nǹkan tí àwa tá à ń lọ́gun. Kò fẹ́ dà, ṣé mọ̀ pé mo máa ń sọ ní gbogbo ìgbà wípé kò fẹ́ súnmọ́ wípé ẹ jẹ́ àwo kìíní tó bá máa rí bí another 80 years. Ó fẹ́ dà, ẹ jẹ́ kí bàbá Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu, ẹ jẹ́ kí wọ́n máa ṣe nǹkan tó ń ṣe lọ. Very soon, nǹkan tó bá ṣe kò fẹ́ dà, kò lè dà ní ẹ̀pẹ̀ kọ́. Ẹnu mi kọ́ lẹ máa ti gbọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀. Àṣírí tí àwọn bọ́ta tí wọ́n wá tú, máa wá máa lọ máa wo comment section èmi àti yín bóyá a ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn tẹ́lẹ̀ bóyá àṣìṣe yẹn kò yẹ yín sìn kẹ́ wá wo àwọn tó wà ní ìdí ẹ̀ ìyẹn lẹ máa mọ̀ wípé èmi àti yín a wà lójú ọ̀nà àṣekínni a wà lójú ọ̀nà one Nigeria all market Yorùbá ló débẹ̀ ń sin báwo lẹ ṣe ń ṣe báyìí tí ẹ ń farabalẹ̀ tí ẹ ní sùúrù tí ẹ ń ṣe kinní kan ṣé Yorùbá máa kú bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ṣé Yorùbá ò ní kúrò ń bẹ̀ mọ́ ẹ máa bá mi ká lọ ẹ jẹ́ ká sáré lọ gbọ́ ẹ jẹ́ agbọ́n nǹkan táwọn bàbá sọ kó tiẹ̀ tó di pé agbọ́n nǹkan tí bàbá máa sọ ẹ jẹ́ ká gbé àwọn short video bá ṣe máa ń gbé wọn wá ká wo àwọn nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ èyí tá a bá lè rí wò ń bẹ̀ bí òjò 1-2 minutes ń bọ̀ ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ́kọ́ fi ìyẹn wọlé náà kó tó di wípé a wọnú agbami gangan lọ eléyìí sìn ẹnu ọlọ́rọ̀ gangan ẹnu ọlọ́rọ̀ gangan àwọn ló ń tú àṣírí ń ṣàwákọ́ tó bá já wà nísìn wọ́n fi ń tajà ni wọ́n fi ń ṣèpolówó ni àwọn tó wà ń bẹ gangan tó fi síbẹ̀ àwọn àmọ̀tẹ́kùn tó fi síbẹ̀ tó ń ṣe tó organize gbogbo nǹkan yẹn tó náwó bọ̀ tó mọ nǹkan ayé mà níkà o ẹ má bá mi ká lọ ojú òní tiwa let's go there.
So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the time you are seeing this video. Please guys, move like I take videos seriously. Special announcement. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ níbikíbi tẹ́ bá ti ń gbọ́ mi ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá mi share in case tẹ́yin bá rí family yín kan lè máa rí. By sharing ó máa carry at least a máa tẹ̀ help a little. So bridge Oshodi bridge, yeah. Wọ́n ló ti ń mì Oshodi bridge tó wà ní Oshodi táwọn èèyàn fi ń cross over is shaking and it's really shaking seriously. Ó ń mì débi pé àwọn èèyàn tó ń gùn ti ń notice. So God so good èèyàn kan gorí ẹ̀ kọjá ni was not last week I came across the video on TikTok and I felt kì í ṣe gbogbo èèyàn ló máa rí message, so let me use my own platform and opportunity to announce it too. So by sharing dear ó máa carry ẹni ẹ wà opportunity láti gun bridge yẹn that day ó dẹ̀ rí ó notice pé ó ń shake but ó ń wò pé ṣé ara àwọn ló ń shake nàbí bridge. So ibi tó ti ń sọ lọ́kọ́ ìlẹ̀yìn kan náà ti sọ fún pé àwọn èèyàn ti ń complain pé ó ń shake òun náà dẹ̀ feel pé ó ń shake, so wọ́n wá pọ̀ tó notice pé bridge Oshodi bridge ń pé ó ń shake. Òun wá bọ́lẹ̀ ó lọ bá Lasman pé báyìí ni bridge yìí ṣe o ń pé kì í náà ṣe òun nìkan àwọn táwọn jọgun gbogbo àwọn làwọn notice pé bridge yẹn ti ń shake. Kí ni Lasman máa sọ? Lasman ní they knew about it ń pé àwọn mọ̀ pé ó ń shake but there's nothing they can do. Ṣé ìṣàlá kò bá láwọn people yìí lọ́dún tuntun like at least bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀ pé ó ń shake yẹn though I'm not blaming them o cause ta ló fẹ́ sọ fún wọn lè má wà pọ̀tún láti sọ fún àwọn right authorities àbí kí lè máa ń pè. So ẹ jọ̀ọ́ fẹ́yìn tẹ́ bá láǹfààní láti rí fídíò yìí please and please Oshodi bridge ń mì ó ń shake nírìnjọ́ tẹ́bí ń pọ́n náà ògùn ò ní fẹ́ jọ wa wẹ̀ wọ́n ní fẹ́ jọ wa pa títí lọ dá láàárọ̀. Please and please share this video. Tẹ́yin ò bá lọ síbẹ̀ family yín lè lọ síbẹ̀ ọmọ yín lè fẹ́ travel kó fi ṣe surprise fún yín kó má sọ fún yín pé òun ń bọ̀ anything can happen. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ share video yìí ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń lo smartphone please you can actually call people you know tẹ́ mọ̀ pé máa ń travel àbí tẹ́ mọ̀ pé máa ń gbàbẹ̀ kẹ́ sọ fún wọn pé báyìí ni bridge Oshodi ń ṣe o. Kọ̀sẹ̀ mi láti àná tí mo ti pe mọ́ sí mi mo ti pe àwọn family mi pé ẹ jọ̀ọ́ o tẹ́ bá lọ tọ́nà yín gan bá gbàbẹ̀ ẹ má gun bridge dẹ̀ má make attempt láti gba abẹ́ cause kò sí ẹni tó mọ time tó máa wó kò sí ẹni tó mọ time tó máa ṣubú. Please and please ẹ pa àwọn tẹ́ bá mọ̀ fẹ́yìn tẹ́ ní family tí ò ní big phone tẹ́ dẹ̀ mọ̀ pé máa ń travel ẹ pè wọ́n kẹ́ sọ fún wọn. Fẹ́yìn tẹ́ láwọn tó lo big phone ẹ share video yìí bridge Oshodi ó ti mì bridge Oshodi mì at any time ló lè wò. Please and please fún ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wá jẹ́ politics àbẹ́yìn tẹ́ mọ èèyàn tó jẹ́ ìjọba tó lè get rich àwọn rights authorities. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, you can do this by telling them phone call lásán, text message, tẹ́ mọ̀ pé kò sí ó máa reach wọn. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́ ẹ bá wa reach wọn. Kò dìgbà tí bíríìjì yìí bá wó, cause imagine pé owó táwọn èèyàn bíi 1,000 dẹ̀ wà lórí ẹ̀, mọ́tò ń lọ mọ́tò ń bọ̀, ẹ picture nǹkan tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ lọ́jọ́ yẹn. Please and please, ẹ jọ̀ọ́, mo kẹ̀ wò pé this is the right thing to do. Ẹ jọ̀ọ́, bridge Oṣòdì mi, mo tún sọ ó mi, share this.
Tekun in your state, right?
Yeah, for some time.
For some time. So what can you say about security around Oyo State and Amotekun?
Until I left, the security was still not okay. There's the influx of these Fulani herdsmen, and I was shouting. I gave a lecture somewhere, and I quoted Abacha. He said, if you are fighting security and it lasts more than 4 weeks, the government is behind it.
So, explain.
Good. The federal government was behind influx of Fulani herdsmen to the southern part.
When you say Fulani herdsmen, men with cow,
they call them Fulani herdsmen. Some of them don't even have cows. But they were coming fully armed.
fully armed.
AK-47.
And you said Buhari government was involved.
Wait. That time, everybody was complaining. That time, federal government announced that everybody should submit their weapons to the police. Now, people were complaining that time. I'm saying this thing. There was a meeting in Kano. They said they are Funam, Fulani National Movement. In their communique that time, this is about 5-6 years ago, that Allah has given them the land of Nigeria as inheritance. And that they have told all Fulani in West African sub-region and Central Africa to start coming to Nigeria, to come and take over what Allah has given them as inheritance. That's the land of Nigeria. And that when they are coming, they should come fully armed. That's the only language Nigerians understand, violence. It is their communication. All that time, people were shouting. Yabba didn't say a word. But when people challenged him once, why are these people who carry AK-47? He said they are using it to protect their cows.
Was it true?
Of course, that, very, very false. Now, Jaya Buhari, I know he has a very close relationship with the Bishop of Canterbury. Now, when he went to UK during one of his period of treatment, he told Bishop of Canterbury that it is not Fulani herdsmen that are killing people. There's some group trained by Gaddafi, who the Gaddafi has armed. They are the one that infiltrated the Fulani herdsmen. They are the one doing the killing.
But what did you discover?
I was discovering somebody one day. He was saying, I said, come, you are very close to Buhari. Go and meet him. A general is a soldier for life. Ask him that in the military, when foreigners enter your territory carrying arms, what is it you are told in the military? They are described to us as invaders.
Invaders.
And what did the military say we should do with them? We are to hunt them down like rabbits and eliminate them. I said, go and meet Buhari and ask him.
Did they hunt them down?
Who are the people doing the kidnapping? Who are the people? They now refer to them as bandits. Who are the people carrying out the banditry?
Are they in our forest around here?
The entire Yoruba land is occupied by them.
As we are talking now,
As I'm talking to you.
General Togun,
Yes.
so when you were in Amotekun, did you try to tackle them?
I did everything I can. But I didn't have cooperation.
Cooperation from who? From Oyo State Governor?
Government, yes.
Oyo State Governor?
Yes.
How?
I can't start saying all these things.
At least give us a hint. What is it that you wanted?
Come. I wanted NCOs from the military, non-commissioned officers, to be recruited, to be put as coordinators in the very local government. I couldn't achieve that.
Why? What was the reason? They were not available to be recruited or what?
They are available. Now, I don't want to talk more on this. I said they are supposed to be zonal commanders. And I wanted retired combatant officers of the rank of captain or major to be zonal commanders of Amatekun in various zones.
You didn't achieve that.
I didn't achieve it. I don't want to delve much in that area.
But are we under threat in the southwest?
We are still there. The governor the other said that bandits were about 2 kilometers away from where he had his birthday. But that is the entire Ibarapa, the entire Okeogun, they are saturated
Wait,
with these people.
they are in the forest. They are with guns.
Of course,
What do they want?
they have said it. That Allah has given them the land of Nigeria as their inheritance. That's why they were.
They are camped in the forest.
They are all over.
You just came from Shaki. You came, but you still live in Shaki.
I live there.
So why are you still there if they are all over?
They can't come and attack me.
They are not coming out of the forest.
They are coming out and kidnapping people and taking ransom.
Is there anything we can do? Is there anything we can do as a people? What do we do? You are a retired military officer. You've operated within Amotekun. What do we do?
The only thing is that the government, even up to federal level, should look for people who will tell them the truth and they will follow the truth.
What is the truth?
The truth is that there's an invasion.
But we can stop them.
It is only government that can do it.
Can the military bomb them out of the forest?
The military is trying now because they give them the assignment. But security is a military matter anywhere in the world. But in Nigeria, we hand over security to police. Police is only to detect, identify, combat crime and prosecute crime.
Mm.
Crime is not security. I know areas of security that the military handles
What is so?
for American government.
That's so bad.
I know areas of security that the British military handle for Britain. And the same thing, Germany, all over the place. But here they think security is police matter. Which is not.
The governor has raised the alarm. You are also raising the alarm again.
What I'm saying now is that, okay, it's only in Nigeria. Everything security. Ask the police. When they are handling internal security problem, when it is beyond their power, what do? They call on army. Is there. That what happened in Zaria that they said army went and shot students. The police could no longer handle that problem. So there's a form they feel inviting army, okay, come and take over. And it is not every army officer that is a security man.
You are a combatant officer.
Yes.
And that was why the governor chose you to come in at the time when you came in.
Mm-hmm.
Would you say you were successful during your time?
I was not, because I was not given the opportunity to operate.
Does Amotekun need
I don't have any connection with him.
advising now?
The issue, like I said, they should stop handling security matter only to police.
But soldiers are involved. You were brought in because you are a retired military officer.
Who and who?
And I know, sir, at some point, the governor brought in the military to invade the forests. I think that was...
The governor hasn't got power. It's only the president that can involve the military. He's the only commander-in-chief who can say, yes, go and do this.
So Tinubu should tell the military not to move in?
They are already moving.
In the southwest?
No, not in the southwest.
Because they are bombing them in the northwest.
Yes.
And the governor said they are now running to the southwest.
They are not running to the south. They are already in the southwest. That's what I'm saying. They are already here.
Did you see them in the forest?
Come. When they kidnap, we are using hunters. They go in. They find that it's Fulani harassment.
The hunters will see them.
Yes.
And we cannot attack them.
The only thing was that we told those hunters they should be careful. If they kill, who's going to back them up? To say, yes.
You have to wait for you to...
All we do is just make sure that when they go to look for them, they run away.
So why do we have Amotekun? What do we need then if it's not...
Amotekun is not independent. Amotekun is stated clearly there. Amotekun is to assist police.
So Amotekun cannot invade the forest and get the bandit.
Come. If Amotekun wants to invade, police will take the lead. Because Amotekun is set to assist police. Even if Amotekun arrests, they investigate, they hand over back to police for prosecution.
And that cannot solve the problem.
Exactly. People have to move into the bush, patrol. Police will not do it. And if police fails to do it, Amotekun can't do it. Because it's to assist police. So police will be the one, Amotekun, let us go on patrol.
This is Libya level. Tinubu, I cause police one for me. And this morning now I enter Libya, I be yesterday. But today now I reach Mosul. Hungry day, see as I can't change. The person don't get abroad before we dey hustle. So the government use me change too. And now I can't start be done again. Need to start life. A lot of people there with money. Only people don't do Europe, don't they hustle. And now they start again life. Such is life. Oh, you will be abroad. Do things home. Only time can be 6 o'clock.
I swear, oh.
See me now. Not be say everything there, but Nigeria not easy.
At all.
So I need to move again. Go look for my daily bread.
And so.
Not be to follow up with the problem. Go the deport person. You need to stay 5 years. Who wants to stay in Nigeria for even 5 months? Me, I will travel and I will stay reach 4 months. So,
You try, oh.
Nah. God do one for me. You know, that take me 10 days from Nigeria to Libya. I don't
so.
go Libya now. So if I don't reach here now, here to Europe now, not far again.
At all.
But I know they already go Europe, so I'll first relax my brain first.
Yes.
Think what to do when I reach Tripoli.
And so.
So I know say God will do again. So I say my leg don't do Libya. See Libya, see Italy.
And so.
So see Italy, see Austria.
And
See
so.
Austria, see Germany. But I'm not coming to Germany again. No, na carry na country, bro.
I swear.
God don't say enter Italy. I thought we go start my life there.
Normal level.
You do there.
I do. I still join you. Because Nigeria now, person want me, oh. To chop alone na wahala, oh.
If to say not be say food cost, me for not able to travel again.
At all. Na so. I swear, oh.
And if I take drink water from desert, come. So we don't thank God, say we don't reach.
We don't reach Libya, oh. Thank God, oh.
So we are in Libya now.
Who get money, make try make on Libya, oh.
We dey for ghetto now. We want try make we.
They cook, oh. Na for what they make so.
Since yesterday now, we never eat better food.
At all.
So life no easy.
At all.
Don't go continue. This is me. I want to run for anything. Every disappointment is a blessing.
Normal.
I cannot go and kill myself.
At all.
They deport me. People say, "Oh, God, why you not follow flight? Now you get my life. Now
At
you
all.
know where I want pass.
Na so.
Follow, I don't follow it. So family can reach
Where they go? Na
You
so.
follow flight, you reach. Me follow life.
You go reach.
It will be different.
Different not day.
Brother,
Ah, bro. Omo. Don't go there, oh.
I see me so. That's why I'm making 6 times when I pass here now.
Sure, son.
Look at the everything.
At all.
Yeah, so
ìyá mi
God
bàbá
don sit
mi
down.
ẹ̀gbọ́n mi àti àbúrò mi mo rò wípé gbogbo wa pátápátá la fi ara balẹ̀ la gbọ́ gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí èwo lèmi àti yẹn láti pariwo nínú ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ṣé mo yẹ àwọn èèyàn wa tó wà ní àtìmọ́lé tó ń parọ́ mọ́ lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Fúlàní àwọn àmọ̀tẹ́kùn kan wà ọlọ́dẹ gan ó ń respect ẹ̀ ju àmọ̀tẹ́kùn lọ wọ́n kàn waste owó láti dá organisation yẹn sílẹ̀ ni wọn ò jẹ́ kán lè ṣe nǹkan tó ń ṣe torí wípé wọ́n rí àwọn kan ní north wọ́n ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ṣe ní òkè ẹ jẹ́ káwa náà nírú ẹ̀ èyí tó gbé wá sílẹ̀ Yorùbá ṣé ó jẹ́ kó ṣe nǹkan kan mo béèrè lọ́wọ́ yín ẹ̀yin ìyá mi bàbá mi ṣé ó jẹ́ kí ó work ẹ wo ìgbà tá a ti ń pariwo wípé wọ́n ti ń kó wọn ẹ wo iye àwọn trailers tá à ń rí ní àwọn Ondo Ọ̀yọ́ state tó ń kó wọn wọlé lóní tẹ̀kítẹ̀kítẹ̀kítẹ̀kí màá wá gbé fídíò kan wá lẹ́yìn eléyìí sí tẹ máa rí bọ́n ṣe pọ̀ àti rí ètò ju bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn lọ rí bọ́n ṣe ń wé àwọn nǹkan ogun tó ń wé tó ń fìkà bẹ́ẹ̀ mọ́tò tó ń gbé wọlé Yorùbá báwo ni tàwọn ọmọ Yorùbá ṣe rí wa ta ló máa gbà wá àwọn gómìnà sí wa ò sí fún wa sínéètì ò sí fún wa àwọn ọba ò sí fún wa ìjòyè ò sí fún wa ta ló wá kù wá kù ta ló kù wá kù ta ló fẹ́ gbà wá sílẹ̀ lóògùn ọ̀fẹ́ àgbọ̀n kankan Ìbà Gani Adams ni àgbọ̀n kankan àgbọ̀rún kúrún o àgbọ̀rún kúrún o àwọn lọ́balọ́ba àgbọ̀n kankan o níjòyè àgbọ̀n kankan o wọ́n ṣèpàdé wọn ò rórí ẹ̀ fi tì síbi kankan bó jẹ́ àwọn ọmọ Fúlàní náà pe irú ìpàdé tán pè tán fi pe Chief Sunday Igboho sí Ọọ̀ni of Ifẹ̀ àárí outcome ẹ jọ̀ọ́ bí ẹ bá rí outcome ẹ bá mi type ẹ̀ síbẹ̀ wípé òkè o ìgbà táwa rí wípé a lè gbé Ìgbòho àti Gani papọ̀ bóyá torí gbogbo àwọ̀ tó wà nílẹ̀ o à ń gbéra wa lọ sí kóòtù ọ̀nà wo ni ká wá gbé gbà àgbọ̀ nǹkan kan o wọ́n ti gé everybody létí lọ o àgbọ̀run kúrún o àgbọ̀ pa àgbọ̀ po wọ́n ti gé wọn létí lọ o ṣe gbọ́ ìgbà tó máa yé sọ ó dàbí irú bá ṣe ń sọ̀rọ̀ Yorùbá nation yìí mi ò rí tán bọ̀ mo rí díẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni ti máa yẹn ò rí díẹ̀ òun rí púpọ̀ ni òun tún rí púpọ̀ tóun bá wá bọ́ síta tó bá wá tú àwọn àṣírí báyìí wípé ibi tẹ́ fojú sí àná gbàgbẹ́ lọ àwọn ò ṣe nǹkan kan táwa náà dẹ̀ mọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ta ló wá kù wá kù nǹkan kan ṣo tó kù wá kù òun náà ni wípé kó ní kálukú kó ṣàdúró nídúró tì í torí wípé ọ̀rọ̀ yìí dàbí ẹni tó bímọ 50 ó máa bí jàgùdà ó máa bí ẹni tó máa fi afipábánilòpọ̀ mi fẹ́ sọ ní èdè òyìnbó ó máa bí alágànná ó máa bí oníwárápá ó máa bí gbogbo ẹ̀ òun lọ́rọ̀ Nàìjíríà àwa ò fi ṣe ká àdógúnlẹ̀ àní bàbá Bọ́lá Ahmed Tinubu kó ṣe kó dàbí the most expensive champagne tí máa ń tẹnu mọ́ kó fi ọ́n máa wo ni torí wípé àwọn kan rí ní pé ilé ìjẹ àwọn ni tó bá dẹ̀tọ̀ àwọn ò lè rí jẹ àṣírò la fẹ́ gbọ́ tó fẹ́ ju eléyìí lọ. ìyá bàbá mi ẹ̀gbọ́n mi àtàbúrò mi ẹ jẹ́ kí n sáré lọ gbé fídíò yẹn wá ẹ jẹ́ n sáré gbé fídíò kékeré yẹn wá ojoojúmọ́ ni o ojoojúmọ́ ló mú wọn aláwọn tó ń gbogbo lọ́wọ́ ọ̀lẹ̀ sí kí lọ́ọ́ fi wọ́n ṣe. ìgbà tó jẹ́ wípé Evans tó pààyàn tó ṣe àwọn èèyàn léṣe tó fún wọn ní punishment tó dá owó fún wọn tó ń mú tí odindi lọ́ọ̀yà Nàìjíríà tó ń dẹ̀ ń sọ wípé àwọn ń béèrè amnesty fún kó lè fi kàwé kán ṣe àforíjì fún ẹ̀kọ́ wo ló ń kọ́ àwọn tó kù tó ń ṣerú ẹ̀ irú ọmọkùnrin tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mú ọmọ Kogi tó ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ mú nínú ọdún tá a wà nínú January tó parí lọ yìí tíyẹn náà bá lò bí ọdún 8 ń bẹ a ní àwọn ìgbà tí mo kọ́ rí short video ti Evans mo kọ́kọ́ rò pé ẹni tó tẹ̀ǹjẹ̀ sí mo kàn wípé ọ̀rọ̀ social media wọ́n tún ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ ohun tí ìgbà tí mo rí dáadáa tí mo tún kà wípé wow ẹ lè rírú nǹkan báyìí ní ayé ibòmíì tó ráyè kan ní Nàìjíríà ẹ lè bá pàdé ẹni tó pààyàn ó bóbìnrin sùn tipátipá ó ṣe ọmọ kékeré léṣe ó ṣe àgbàlagbà léṣe àwọn ẹlòmíì tó kún tí ní ìbànújẹ́ ayérayé wọn tí ì bọ́ nínú ẹ̀ ẹ wá ní kán gbé oyè ńlá fún èmi ò rírú eléyìí rí o nǹkan kan ọṣọ tó lè gbà wá ní wípé a ní kó ní kálukú by fire by thunder bó bá lè òun kó jẹ́ bó bá ṣe lè òun kó rí àní kán ṣàpín wá pé gègé kó ní kálukú lọ́nà rẹ̀ òun nìkan ni tí ò bá jẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà àwọn alágbára náà wà nídìí ọ̀rọ̀ nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ yẹn náà àwọn alágbára náà jókòó tì àwọn alágbára náà náwó àwọn tó ti ṣiṣẹ́ fún àwọn tó dẹ̀ ń jọ ń ṣiṣẹ́ lọ àwọn náà wà nídìí ọ̀rọ̀ nǹkan tá à ń sọ ẹ jẹ́ kí n sáré gbé fídíò kékeré wa kẹ́ ká lè jọ wò.
That is just an anaconda. See, Anna. May not go blow. No. Why is careful now? Not very well. May they hold those people. May they not go run. May they hold them. They go run. No, they not go run. They be wrong.
Custody and is willing to further his education to the level of PhD.
The federal government gave him opportunity to reform and re-educate himself. They gave him scholarship at a maximum security prison, Krike. He took the scholarship. The outcome of the scholarship is that today he has NECO, he has NCE, merit. That is almost distinction. And he was admitted on merit to Open University. And he's on 200 level. Because if the plea bargain and clemency, which we are pursuing, is acceptable to Lagos State government, and he is let out of prison, he will be under the custody of Lagos State government.
Evans has been remanded at the Kirikiri Maximum Security Facility here in Lagos for the past 8 years. He says he's now remorseful of all the crimes he's committed and is asking the Lagos State government for a second chance. But the prosecutor told the court that his plea bargain request will now be tabled before the committee, who will sit next in March. This case has now been adjourned to March the 20th for report on his plea bargain request. Kemi Foladeyemo, TVC News, Lagos.
Bó ṣe wà nìyẹn. Abẹ́ rí ilé ayé. Rí ilé ayé lóde. Rí ilé ayé. Ẹni tó ń fẹ́ kàn fún ní amnesty. Ẹni tó ṣe aeroplane wà ń bẹ̀ o. Ẹ wá wo nǹkan tí màá gbé wá yìí. Kí Nàìjíríà kàn ní irú ẹ̀ 1000. Wọ́n máa lé àwọn pípò yìí, wọ́n máa lé wọn balẹ̀. Kí Nàìjíríà kó má kó nǹkan ìbọn fún àwọn Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn. Kọ́kàn gbé drones yìí, kán gbé fún wọn, kán fún wọn ní 1000 ẹ̀, kán wá fún wọn ní ọ́fíìsì. Wọ́n mọ bó ṣe lè mú àwọn pípò yìí, wọ́n mọ̀. Wípé kẹ́kàn máa wo 24/7 gbogbo inú gbogbo everywhere, but wọ́n jọ fi ń ṣe politics náà, jọ fi ń jẹun ni. Wọ́n jọ fẹ̀mí ọmọ Yorùbá, ọmọ Nàìjíríà, wọ́n jọ fi ń tàfàlà ní wọ́n mọ nǹkan tán lè ṣe, wọ́n mọ the right thing tán lè ṣe. Tán bá pé èyí tí mo fẹ́ gbé wá yìí, tán bá kó fún àwọn Àmọ̀tẹ́kùn, tán bá kó fún àwọn àmì, báwo làwọn tó ń wa gold tó ń jí gold wá, báwo ni ẹ fẹ́ máa jí wa? Báwo ló ń kó àwọn tó ń kó ọrọ̀ ajé wa, báwo ni ẹ fẹ́ máa kó? Ẹ má jẹ́ kí n gbà á lákòókò ó yá.
来，我们先用这个水给无人机画上一个返航的标记圈，测试一下无人机飞高飞远之后，关闭遥控器能否再回到这里。咱们起飞无人机，起飞以后呢，我们再给无人机的水杯上加上一杯满满的水。来看一下稳定性非常好。这款无人机前方搭载2个镜头，可以上下90度调节。来，我们旋转一圈，看它的一个稳定性。遥控器不动，无人机可以做到稳姿不动啊。我们现在来给它上升高度，飞远飞高，9米。看一下无人机的一个高空拍摄画面，1080p 2000万的像素。镜头它可以支持到我们上下调整，360度呢可以实时旋转去拍摄，横拍、俯拍、仰拍都没有问题。它是搭载4K 的分辨率，可以支持我们9倍变焦的一款无人机。来，我们用9倍变焦，感受一下它的一个户外拍摄风景的一个清晰度，可以看到这个稳定性非常好。它是搭载了3轴机械防抖云台的一款无人机，无人机你随便怎么调整它的镜头，随便怎么旋转，它是不会抖、不会卡的。咱们现在呢，废话不多说，直接测试一下关机遥控器，无人机能否安全返航。可以看到遥控呢已经关机了，关机以后我们给遥控放在起飞的位置。 这款无人机可以飞20公里远，可以飞500米高，一个电池可以续航47分钟。它拥有 GPS 功能，可以自动返航、一键返航、关闭遥控器返航。搭载全方位的避战，可以自动悬停、自动避战、自动躲避高空的障碍物，安全性、稳定性非常好。新手没有玩过呢，也可以轻松掌握、轻松驾驭一款无人机。它搭载了智能跟随、延时摄影、大师镜头、全景照片、轨迹飞行、防雨飞行、手势拍照、手势看功能。它也可以做到哪里起飞哪里返航。来看一下啊，无人机把我们一杯满满的水带回来了，咱们接着看。喜欢的点个赞。
pẹ́ ló máa fi máa yọ wọn ò ní fèèyàn ọkàn ṣàwọ wọn ò ní fi wá ṣàwátì a nílò ohun gbé sọnù bí ò ṣe bí ọmọ wọn ò ní pòkò ọmọ káwa mọ́lẹ̀ o a ní mọ̀ sáré ọmọ tó bá jẹ́ nígbà àkọ́kọ́ ni ẹ má gbàgbé láti bá wa subscribe ẹ dẹ̀ má gbàgbé láti bá wa tẹ like láti bá wa pín débi tó yẹ kó dé. God bless you. One love. Bye for now.
This is good news to all. But first of all, write this number down. 1-845-293-8937. You will get through to Define Travels and Tours. They help you process and obtain USA work permit visa, tourism and visiting visa, vacation and cruises. Wow! The USA work permit visa allows you to legitimately work anywhere in USA once you arrive. Interesting. Call Divine Travel Center, New York, USA on 1-845-293-8937 or send email to divinetravels5@gmail.com. Divine Travels and Tours is tested, trusted, and reliable.
Kindly subscribe to YouTube channel and follow on Facebook page at Dr. Zabby's Talk Show.